Welcome, Glencoe, to the Fine Arts Assembly. I'm your host, RJ Penlilio, and today I'll be showcasing the amazing art that Glencoe has to offer. From drawings from the incredibly talented art students to the premiere of Xanadu and a never-before-seen interview of the cast. You don't want to miss it. Our first showcase will be from Mr. Haggerty's art class. His students have been working very hard on these pieces of work. Let's take a look. Now, let's take a look at Mrs. Dunn's art classes. The Glencoe Percussion have been working on a few pieces for their solo and ensemble performance. Let's take a look at their shows. Now our jazz band. Let's take a look at our choir. Xanadu, theater's newest musical, opens tomorrow at 7:30. Now before I interview the cast, let's watch a never-before-seen premiere of Xanadu.
I can no longer use words to express it. He rejects. I pity the message.
You make a dream of the ghost of my dream, and then suddenly it's all said. The wheels are in motion, and I
Ladies and gentlemen, or however else you identify, please welcome Nora, Grant, Owen, Alexis, Jocelyn, and Bree, the cast of Xanadu. So you guys are incredible. Congratulations for this show. This show is so much fun. You guys are incredibly talented. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you, RJ.
So how are you guys?
A little gassy.
Yo, I've been holding something in for this entire thing.
So you guys are one day away from opening night. You guys feeling nervous? You guys feeling excited?
A mixture of both, I'd say.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm chilling. This is
I'm-
gonna be good.
Yeah,
It's gonna be great.
I'm excited to show what we've all been working
really
hard
hard
on
for.
for the
Yeah,
past
so
year,
far,
right?
yeah.
And get that feeling of just excitement to see the crowd and the lights and just have an audience.
So you guys are all seniors, right?
Yeah.
So this is your final big show. What can the audience expect from the opening night?
Well, we've been waiting a really, really long time to be able to perform this for an audience. We've been working really, really hard on it. So what people can expect is a really, really exciting and energized show.
And we like to explore our characters and what we're playing, and we've had a great amount of time working with them and getting to know them, and they're very funny, very witty, so we get to show a lot of comedic sides, and just expect to see that.
Yeah, I can guarantee you, opening night and every night afterward, we're gonna leave it all on stage.
Totally. I mean, Xanadu is all just one giant party, and we're just here to have fun.
And this cast is so amazing. It's a small cast, but I think fondly back of all the memories we've made all these past months working on this.
Yeah, and just we as the cast and the crew as well, we're just so full of joy and excitement to be back on stage and to be able to put on like a great show. And opening night, we're really gonna every night we're gonna bring the audience in and make sure that they feel like they're part of the party.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for this interview. It's been such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Pick up my ticket!
And make sure they get yours so you can watch the opening night of Xanadu tomorrow at 7:30. Tickets are available at the GHS website for only $10 or $15 at the door. Thank you guys for tuning in for this year's Fine Arts Assembly. Before we go, the Glencoe band will be playing us out with our Glencoe fight song, Roll Tide.